Do you want to know how to get some free money for your house?
Yes, so when you're ready to list your home, we have an amazing program that we're going to share with you. You got to wait to the end, but it's a way that you can get free money to get your house ready for sale.
Stay tuned. Hey everybody, my name is Adriano Lamboglia. This is
Gary Dempsey.
We're over here with Harcourts Hunter Mason in Redondo Beach. If this is your first time on the channel and looking to want to know everything about Redondo Beach, the South Bay, wining, dining, sleeping, eating, you're on the right channel and the right people to definitely give you that information. So stay tuned, and we're going to be talking about an amazing program that we are launching.
Yeah, Harcourts just launched. Now, Harcourts is the company we work with. They're actually the sixth largest in the world, sixth largest real estate company. And they've been around for over 100 years, I think 1880s.
Yeah.
And so they came out with something that's really going to be a game changer for the real estate industry. And this is only available through Harcourts, and it's called the Harcourts Concierge.
Oh yeah, Harcourts Concierge. If you're, like I said, if you're a homeowner, this is unbelievable opportunity. I know I've been reaching out to people as soon as I heard about it. People seem really excited about the benefits of the program. We're talking about homeowners really love this program. And so Gary, what's Concierge and what's that bridge? What's that looking like?
So the Concierge is actually a couple different loans that we're able to use for our sellers. And one of them is a bridge loan, and the other one is called our enhancement loan. So a bridge loan is something that actually allows a seller to acquire funding for their next purchase, before they sell their home. So the idea is that we get your house ready, start putting on the market. You find the house that you like. We don't have to wait till we close escrow and do a concurrent contingent sale. We can get you into that house now.
Yeah, it happens a lot. Traditionally in real estate, we have to wait till the property sells before we purchase the next one. It happens a lot. If I was a seller, hey Gary, I can't sell my house, but I really need to sell my house before I buy the next one.
Yeah. And so what happens normally is, you're out there. If you do find a house and you do love it, you fall in love with it, you put your offer in, but it's contingent upon the sale of your house. Which, if you're up against competition, that really, a seller, if there's other offers on the table, that puts you behind them most of the time, because the seller wants to see, hey, these guys are ready to go, they can close in 30 days, that kind of thing. So this allows us to put in a quality offer for you and get you that house while we're getting your house for sale.
Yeah. Oh yeah, absolutely. And not to mention putting it on the market. It happens all the time. When I'm taking my clients out to look, and if we're looking at the MLS, when the sellers put a contingent on finding another property, typically what happens, they get less views on the home, because now the buyer feels like they have to wait 30, 60 days, 90 days for the seller to find the replacement property.
Yeah.
This program absolutely it helps eliminating that, so we don't have to put that in the system, or we don't have to put our sellers in that position that they have to wait, and then they're not getting the quality offers that they want on their home. So this is why this is really good.
Yeah, it's amazing. It gives us a leg up. It helps us with our clients to be able to get them into that home faster, without hitches and delays. I'm going to put on the screen some of the details and the guidelines for this loan. But basically, all you need is a 680 minimum FICO score, and your combined loan to value is 70%. And you can get minimum of $50,000 all the way up to $400,000 loan, which is amazing. I mean, that's a nice down payment, right? What's a down payment for a $400,000 house is $100,000. $800,000 house is $200,000. So you see, you can be well over $1 million purchase, and have plenty of money that you can use, to help you get into that next loan.
Yeah. No, it's really beneficial for anybody looking to buy that up leg.
Yeah.
You don't have to wait. So that is absolutely incredible, and we're super excited about it.
Yeah.
We definitely can't wait to help anybody out there that absolutely just love something like this, to utilize it for to buy their up leg home.
Totally, and it's a 6% 6-month term. They charge you 1 point, which is basically 1% of the loan amount, and it's interest only. So your payments, even though it's 6%, aren't that much. And this is a bridge. It's just to get you into that house while we get your house for sale. And you combine this bridge loan with our Harcourts luxury auction program.
Oh, yeah.
So that means we have a set auction date to sell your house. We're going to go into a whole series to talk about how that auction program works.
Yeah.
But it's second to none. It's a way to get the most out of your house and in the shortest amount of time. It's really a way to find out what the market's going to pay.
Oh, yeah.
And it creates competition for your house, and it creates a deadline for people to move quickly and make that move.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah, absolutely. We can't wait to share that video with you when we start making that series about auction. But that's special, and that's we definitely want to bring that in and provide you value with those videos. So I can't wait for that. I know that you're talking about this concierge stuff. So what's this enhancement loan you're talking to? Like you just mentioned it. I just kind of want to know what's that all about.
This one's really exciting because the enhancement loan basically lets you borrow from $20,000 to $50,000 for basically free.
No way.
There's no point. They have to charge something, so it's like 0.1% or something like that to do it. But basically, the way this works is a lot of times when we go through a house and we get your house ready for sale, there's things that need to be done. You need to fix some things up, clean the place up, maybe stage the house. A lot of things you want to do to get it ready, because the idea is that we can get your house sold for top dollar, right? And this allows you to do that. Honestly, the money that you get, you can use it for anything. Anything you want. But it's a great program. So it's basically 0.1% interest rate, no points, no fees.
Yeah.
It's free money that you can use to get your house ready for sale, that you can use for basically anything. And as you can see on the screen, it's pretty easy to qualify. 680 FICO score, which you're going to need anyway to buy a house no matter what.
Especially for the interest rates right now, the way they are.
Yeah,
it's phenomenal.
Yeah. So no monthly payments. Basically what happens is this money is due when we sell your house. Mm-hmm. So it's a beautiful thing. This is exciting. This is something that I have not seen offered in real estate. It's another sort of thing that Harcourts has added to our, to our toolbox to be able to, help our sellers. And part of our process is as well, when we talk about auction again, is we actually take a week or two, maybe 3 weeks to get the place ready, get inspections done, things like that. So this actually works hand in hand with that. It's perfect.
Oh, yeah. And you don't have, we have seen it time and time again. They're relying on the house, the property to sell to get the money. So the opportunity for them to get the money up front to get the home for sale is they're gonna make up on the.
So this really works. That the client that this fits is someone that might have a lot of equity in their house, but they don't have a lot of cash in the bank, right? Mm-hmm. So this is something that's definitely going to help you. I mean, even just to take this money out for free, it's just going to come out of the closing costs at the end of the sale, right? So this is money you get for 6 months. It doesn't cost anything. So it's a great deal. And I'm going to also post, the basically how the program works for you guys. And actually, I'm going to put a link in the video that you can download the brochure for this.
Yep.
And then if you have questions, you can definitely just ping us, and we'll be able to follow up and help you get into that program.
Yeah,
it's pretty easy.
Yeah.
Super simple.
Another thing about the program, you don't have to use any kind of contractors that we provide or any of that. If you don't have one, we can always recommend. Gary does have. He's got some resources that he can offer to you, but you don't have to use anybody that we recommend. The nice thing about it, you're not tied to anybody. You can use general contractors that you might know to do the work for you. So that's really, really good.
But one thing we can provide you is, and we base our whole philosophy on teamwork. So we have an auction team. We have a team that can come in with the financing now. We have a team to sell your house. We have a team to fix your house, to clean it. Everything you can think of. We can help you. We have a lot of people that we work with closely that we spend time with on a weekly basis.
Yeah.
And they're they do a great job because they know they're going to see us the next week. So when they report back to us, we make sure that we're getting good reviews for all those people. So,
Absolutely. And I think, did you mention it? But I know that we have to also, they have to sign a 6-month listing agreement. That's the minimum to qualify.
But if you're doing a Harcourts auction, we'll probably get it sold in maybe 45 days. I think our average is less than 40 days right now to get your house sold. So you probably won't need that much time. So pretty excited about this program.
Yeah, that's really good stuff. So I hope you liked it. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about it. Reach out to us. Our phone numbers are in the description on the link below. So just let us know. This is, like you said, great time to take advantage of an awesome program.
Thanks, you guys. We'll see you next time.
Alrighty.